Hello Healthinistas, and welcome to 31 Days to a Healthy Lifestyle. I am so glad you found me, and together we are going to make better choices of meals so that you can live a healthy life. I don't believe in diets. This is not a diet. This is making good choices on a day-to-day basis so that you're able to nourish your body and look good while you're aging. Now, as I told you in a previous video, I am constantly being asked what I'm doing because people that have known me for years and years come up to me and say, you look younger as you're getting older. And really the key to what I'm doing is just better choices. Making sure that I'm eating more fruits, vegetables. I do eat meat, but the amount of meat and the types of meat that I choose. So that's what I want to help you do in this program. Before you get started on 31 days, these are the things that I would like for you to get. First of all, you need a pedometer. And I'm showing you an example that is on Amazon. You can get some from Walmart. You really don't need an expensive Fitbit, but if you already have a Fitbit or some way of tracking your steps, that's wonderful. You need that. If not, a pedometer is fine. You can get some for less than $15. The other thing that you need is a blood pressure cuff, because I would like for you to take your blood pressure every so often. So you need a blood pressure cuff. Now I happen to use this one from CVS, but I'm not plugging it. If you already have a cuff at home, that's great. If not, you might want to invest in one, especially if you're someone that has high blood pressure anyway and are taking medication for it. The next thing that you are going to need is a yoga mat, because we're going to be doing different activities, but some of those activities require you to be on the floor, working on your abs or your thighs or different parts of your body. So you need a yoga mat. Another thing that you do need is multivitamins and also fish oil. These are the two things that I've taken for years. I took that before I donated a kidney, and I was told to just take those after my kidney donation because I didn't need any extra supplements for my kidneys to work hard to discard the extra that I don't use. So those are the two things that I would say that I need you to have. I don't believe in taking a lot of other supplements. Now, if you're already on extra supplements like vitamin D because your doctor has recommended that, very important that you continue to do those things. Also, check with your doctor and make sure that you are okay to do some of the things that we are doing, especially the first 2 days, because if you're on blood thinners, we're drinking a lot of spinach and kale, and really people on blood thinners are asked to stay away from greens, and because those greens are high in vitamin K, and that helps coagulate blood. If you're on blood thinners, you don't want that working against it. So be very careful, check with your doctor. If you're on blood thinners, I would say you cannot have the smoothies with the greens in them. So we'll have to do an alternative for you. Another thing that you're going to need is to buy these items, because the first 2 days of this program is a detox cleanse. So I need you to buy these items. You can also download the items below. There should be a PDF of these items below for you to download so that you can take it to the grocery store and buy these items, because you would want to start from day one having this, because our first day in coming up, as you'll see, is mostly these smoothies. The next thing that you would have to have is a log of some sort. So a notebook, right? It could be a small one, could be medium. I just need you to have a log where you can put the date you can put your starting weight and you can put some inches on there, and I will explain that in the program. So, how do you get started with this program, right? You're going to have to use the link below or a button below that says sign up to get into the program. And once you have paid for the program, which starting out, this program is very minimal, a minimal cost for all 31 days. Once you've paid, it will allow you into the program. You have a username, which is your email address, and your own password, so that you can sign in on a day-to-day basis and come check the next video. Once you've paid, I will automatically add you to the private Facebook group 31 days. So, who's ready to get started? Hit the link or hit the button, and I'll see you in the program.